What do you do if you need MCA payment relief now? If you're struggling making your merchant cash advance payments, it's a very scary feeling, and it's a very serious matter. How serious? Well, in extreme scenarios, if you're not careful, you could be put out of business. It happens all the time. Businesses choke on MCAs all the time, like a cancer, if you would. So, what can you do if you need MCA payment relief now? Here's a quick tip that we've seen done very effectively in limited situations. It's called a do-it-yourself fix. You call the MCA company or companies one at a time, and you plead your case, and you ask for a temporary reprieve from the high payments, and you see what they'll work out with you to give you a short-term break. And I emphasize short-term because maybe you'll get a week or two. So if that works for you, great. That's why it's called do-it-yourself. You can try it yourself today. But what happens if you need a more permanent solution? Because just a week or two of payment relief is, well, like a Band-Aid on an open wound to some who have a real cash advance problem. Only you know. But if you sense trouble coming with your ability to make repayments, or you already have trouble on your doorstep, even lawsuits, liens on your bank account because you're in default, you can be helped. Whether you elect to work with us or not, it's always in your best interest for you to act quickly. For an overview of how debt restructuring can help almost any MCA holder in this situation, please watch the 3-minute explainer video by hitting the link below. In the end, the goal of any debt restructuring plan is to save one's business. Unfortunately, most owners plagued by cash advances procrastinate. The horrible analogy is that most don't even realize they have this terminal cancer, if you would, until they wake up one day and decide to close their doors. Debt restructuring will save almost any business before it needs to shut down if the owner still wants to survive and has the stomach to keep their doors open. If you've listened this far, the real question is, will the MCA ditch you're in now be just that, a temporary pothole, or will it be a permanent derailment? Most successful debt restructuring scenarios end with the business repaying less than what they owe to the cash advance companies, inclusive of all fees. They are all hand-tailored to each client's own unique circumstances and budget requirements and cash flow. Most plans are for around 6 to 12 months, but some can be longer. If you want to speak in complete confidence, please reach out, and we'll do all we can to assist.